Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a car battery. First, let's cover the basics and safety. You'll need a few tools, such as a 10mm wrench, a wire brush, and a new battery. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off, the parking brake is set, and the keys are removed from the ignition. For your safety, wear protective gloves and safety glasses to prevent any contact with battery acid. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Pop your hood and locate the battery. It's typically a rectangular box with two terminals. Always start by loosening and removing the negative cable, which is usually black and marked with a minus sign. Then, disconnect the positive cable, which is red and marked with a plus sign. Finally, remove the hold-down clamp that secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean any corrosion from the battery tray and the cable terminals using a wire brush and a baking soda solution. Place your new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it sits firmly. Then, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. For the final steps, double-check that all connections are snug and the battery hold-down is firmly in place to prevent movement. Start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, regular maintenance like keeping terminals clean can extend your battery's life. You can find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.